Hey guys, I'm Bree. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a hopper in Minecraft. So go ahead and open Minecraft and let's get started. So first you are going to, of course, need a hopper. So this is what a hopper is. It's this little thing right here, and it's a redstone type of block. So this is what it is. Basically, what will happen is you can put things inside of here, and when there is something below it, it will go into that. So let's say we wanted to put another hopper here. The hopper will translate from the top hopper to the bottom. So what is the use for this, you might be wondering? Let's say that you have a lot of iron and you need to smelt it. And you know what, let's throw in some copper and maybe some gold too. So what you are going to do is take a chest and also a furnace. So what you can do is go ahead and place down a chest right here, and then to place the hopper on top of the chest, what you're going to do is crouch. So for me, the crouch button is shift, but it could be different for you. So go ahead and shift and right click. So the hopper is now on top of here. And what you are going to do next, you have to place this furnace on top of the hopper. So just place down a different block and then shift and right click, just like we did before. It doesn't matter what direction the furnace is facing either, it will do the same thing either way. So now that we have done that, right click to open the furnace, and we are going to go ahead and smelt some raw iron. If you want to, you can even go ahead and do this for several different things at a time. So right click and go ahead and put in the coal and your copper. You can do this with anything. It's not just smelting. A lot of people use this for automatic farms, for collecting things and automatically being able to store it. And it will just continuously go on and on. So let's go ahead and right click on our furnace. And as we can see, there's nothing in here, and we can go ahead and watch as the iron ingot will drop down into the hopper, automatically through the hopper and into the chest. And then let's see, okay, let's watch it pass through the hopper as this copper enters and immediately leaves, and now it's in our chest. And same thing over here with the gold, we can go ahead and watch it pass through one more time. It is automatic, and now it is in here. There are so many different uses for hoppers. Hoppers are such a helpful tool to have in Minecraft, so I definitely recommend getting in the habit of using them. You can do it basically with just about anything. If it can enter into the hopper, you're good to go. And yeah, that is how you can use hoppers in Minecraft. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye guys!